The following segment is sponsored by In the Garden.
I don't think there's any award I'm more excited to give out here at the beginning of spring than the one for Finest Garden Store and Nursery. And here to accept that award is John Harrison, owner of In the Garden. Congratulations, John.
Thank you. I want to thank our customers for voting us number one. One of the main reasons that we won it is our selection. If you haven't been to my store, you may not know, but we have 5 acres of garden center, nursery products, mulch, gravel, patio stone. It's just not plants, although we do have a lot of plants. And another reason that we won is we're always improving our garden center. And just an example, we purchased shopping carts this last year, and they're double-decker. We just used to have wagons, and you really couldn't get much in a wagon. And because of that, I think my customers appreciate that, and that's why they voted us number one.
Yeah, absolutely. That makes perfect sense. We're in just one of the greenhouses right now. You have several here. But again, if you can kind of touch on all the different types of plants. I mean, you mentioned a lot of the other things, but you really have just about everything.
We do. So I'm a garden center, so of course I've got bedding plants and veggies and flowers. We also have an extremely large selection of perennials. They're in very high demand. We grow a lot of those ourselves. And then we sell trees up to 20 foot tall, lots of different types of trees, and lots of shrubs.
Yeah, you guys do a great job here, John. Obviously, like you said, a lot of different products. Is there anything else our viewers should know about, the spring or what's coming up here in the next few weeks?
We're in March right now. Just know that our frost date is April 15th, and you need to keep that in mind when you're purchasing your plants.
Okay. John, hey, thanks again. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The preceding segment was sponsored by In the Garden.